Good morning, Year 3. Hope you had a great weekend and are ready to start week 4 of our online maths adventure. This week we're doing chapter 14, Perimeter of Figures. And throughout the week you will need a pencil, a felt-tip or a color pencil, a ruler and your workbook. You ready to start? Let's go! In lesson 1 we're going to measure the total length around the shape. We are going to start by looking at Ruby's problem. It says, Ruby needs to find the total length around the shape. And we can see here a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. What can she use in order to find the total length of each shape? Correct! She can use a ruler to measure each of the sides and add them together in order to find its total length. Today we are going to use square paper to find the total length around squares and rectangles. If we look at this grid, we can see that a side of a square is 1 centimeter long. On this grid, we can see a rectangle and a square. And we need to find the total length around each shape by looking at the grid. We know that the length of each black square, each side of the black squares on the grid, is 1 centimeter. So let's start by looking at the rectangle. I suggest that when you do your work in your workbooks, you use a felt tip or a highlighter to count the centimeters as you go along. So let's start here. We can count 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Then we can say that the total length around the rectangle is 8 centimeters. Did you find that easy? Let's do one more before we move on. Let's look at the square and we're going to start here. Let's count. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. So we can say that the total length around the square is 8 centimeters. Remember, we are not counting all the sides of the black squares on the grid. We need to look at the main shape and count the centimeters around the shape. Okay, we're just counting the centimeters around each shape. Now I'm going to give you a bit of time to find the total length around each shape. You can find this activity in today's PDF if you want to, or you could just pause the video and look and trace with your finger each side of the shape and count its centimeters. So pause the video and find the total length of figure A, B, C and D. How did you find the task? We are going to mark our answers all together and we're going to start by looking at figure A. Again, I'm going to start in this corner over here. Let's count. The total length around figure A is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. So we could say the total length around A is 4 centimeters. Well done. Now let's look at figure B. I'm going to start here. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. So we know that the total length around figure B is 8 centimeters. Let's check figure C. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 11, 12, 13, and 14 centimeters. We can say that the total length around C is 14 centimeters. And our last figure, we have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4, 5, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 centimeters, 13, 14, 15, and 16 centimeters. So the total length around D, is 16 centimeters. How did you do? Was it easy? I'm sure you've done amazingly well. In our workbooks today, we have to complete pages 185 and 186, and we need to find the total length around the shape by using squared paper. In activity 1, we got 3 figures and we need to find their length and write it down over here. Remember, if you can, use a felt tip, color pencil, or a highlighter to mark each centimeter as you count them. That way you won't get confused. In activity 2, we got shape figures and we have to do exactly the same. We need to find the total length around each shape. Also, it is asking us to find the total length around shape A and shape B. So what do you think you'll need to do here? Finally, you need to circle the correct answer. It says the total length around shape A is, and then you have to choose smaller than, equal to, or greater than the total length around shape B. Okay, so first of all, you have to do the total length around shape A, then B, all together, and then circle the correct answer. Please let us know if you have any questions or you need a bit of help. Today we've got 2 challenges. Challenge 1. Use different colors to make a figure that fits into the grid. So you can use as many colors as you like to design a figure that fits inside this grid. Once you finish, can you write down its total length? And challenge 2 is got to do with tomorrow's lesson. There's a statement here for you to complete. It says, the total length around the figure is called something. So there is a word that we can use when we are talking about the total length around the figure. Can you find out what that word is? Once you've done so, you need to find the something around the figure, the total length around the figure, and write it down here. The something of the square is and its length. Okay? So, Miss Dani and I are waiting to see your work. Be as creative as you like designing your figures. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!